Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can allow or enable direct messages on your TikTok account. So for that just open your TikTok account and go to your profile. Now at the profile at the top right side you can see there are three horizontal lines. Click on these three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy. Now here you can see option called privacy. Click on this privacy option. Now scroll down and here you can see the option called direct messages. Click on this direct message option. Now at the very top you can see allow direct messages. Click on this one. Now it have multiple options you can see. Everyone's, just friends and no one. Now if you want to allow direct messages from everyone, so just select this one everyone. Now when you select everyone, now anyone can send you direct messages on your TikTok account.